Yo, what is up guys, it's me, Virgo Fatapa, and today we're playing I Expect You to Die 2, The Spy and the Liar. Now, last time, what's up, I heard? Well, at least we, got the mask, but, yeah. And let's just, get straight in. Okay. I think we have to go in.
That briefcase the fabricator made for Juniper. Well, that must be what he's been building toward. I've traced the mask you bugged to a castle in the Alps. If Juniper's there, the briefcase must be too. You need to find it and get it out of there.
Okay. Let's just go. Yesterday. Got it. Oh. Whoa. This like a wine cellar?
Well, one way or another, you're in. When you get back, you should get that eye looked at. That butler has a nasty left hook. Well, he can sleep it off in that box. On the bright side, his position is yours for the taking.
Is this a cheese knife?
Hey, you.
Oh.
Tell Gibson to send that bottle I've been saving to the ballroom. And tell him not to forget the glasses.
Okay.
You heard him, Gibbs. Careful, buddy. Juniper's in a real bad mood. Somebody broke into the fabricator's workshop.
Ha! Now's your chance. Convince them that you're this Gibson fellow.
The good bottle. Which one's the good bottle? Juniper hated it. This last bottle. Doesn't have. Hold on, guys. My dad's calling me home. Okay, I'm back. Anyways, I will just restart this mission just in case I did anything. Alright. Okay, we're here.
Well, one way or another, you're in. When you get back, you should get that eye looked at. That butler has a nasty left hook. Well, he can sleep it off in that box. On the bright side, his position is yours for the taking.
Hat.
Hey, you. Tell Gibson to send that bottle I've been saving to the ballroom. And tell him not to forget the glasses. You heard him, Gibbs. Careful, buddy. Juniper's in a real bad mood. Somebody broke into the fabricator's workshop.
Ha! Now's your chance. Convince them that you're this Gibson fellow.
So this is table wine. He hates that because it's right here is the exact same thing. So I'm gonna say that he likes this because it's the last bottle. Try Riesling. Okay, so it's this. Take 2 cups, is that? 2 glasses, and then one of this. Then let's sum it up. Okay, got it. I have to call it.
Excellent.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Gibson, send up the new mimic mask.
Mimic mask. It's down here, but where?
Oh, a victory party. My, aren't we feeling
Is that a
confident?
keyhole? Huh.
Give it a rest. I've got the last nuclear code. I've got this thing in the bag.
Oh, I think it's
Do
this
you?
one.
Then who
Oh, wait.
ransacked my workshop? If it was your agent Phoenix, well... If you screw this up, the good doctor is not going to be happy.
Aha! I think this is the new one. You're doing this quick.
Perfect. My plan is working. 24 hours from now, thanks to me, things are going to change. So I'm gonna savor every minute. The rest of you, I'm going to go enjoy my party. Unless we are literally under siege. No interruptions. I hate
this.
changing part. It's so creepy.
sounds like Juniper buys your cover. Now, you've got to find a way for them to send you that briefcase.
It looks like this one's special because it's at the
What
bottom.
happened? Oh no.
Oh, the real Gibson seems to be waking up.
You out there, release me
Wait.
this Institute, scoundrel.
We
Juniper! Anyone? Help me! It's the Phoenix! The Phoenix is in the wine cellar!
Phoenix again? Well, you're gaining some notoriety, Agent.
wait.
You just wait until Mr. Juniper discovers you here. What are you doing? That's a delicate instrument. Don't touch anything.
If we can get Juniper to panic, I bet he'll show us where the briefcase is.
Ow, I can feel that in my teeth. Is there a fire or something?
Nah, the alarm system's just touching. It'll go off by itself eventually.
Well, I have to say, party
What's
guests
this?
ignoring it.
What was that?
Look out the window.
Oh, holy. Just a moment. What was that? I don't know. It's probably a fluke, right?
We can get Juniper to panic. I bet
Agency must be here for the briefcase. Security team, with me. We can't let the agents find the briefcase.
6 against 1. Maybe you should even the odds.
Direct.
Did anyone else hear that?
The Nibsium.
Was that? No, it's probably nothing.
F5.
I think I heard something nearby. I'm gonna go check it out.
Where are they? I haven't seen a single agent. Security team, report in. Who's left? Damn it.
Maybe we should consider surrendering. They can't have the briefcase! Wait, change of plan. Everyone who's still standing, cover me. I've got an idea. Gibson, I'm sending you the nuclear briefcase. Keep your head down and find a way out. I can act my way out of this, but whatever you do not let the things get their hands on it.
Well, I'm not Gibson, by the way. By the way, I'm not Gibson.
That must be the briefcase. Now, if you can just...
Gibbs? The boss said you'd need backup.
Ben, the Phoenix is in here!
What? Boss, the Phoenix is in the wine cellar.
Agent, you need to find a way out of there.
Very clever, Agent, but your little game ends here.
Door's locked. And barred. Can't get in there.
What are you waiting for then? Turn on the gas!
Huh, it was working earlier. I think the tank's empty.
What? How did... The map. I can see the agent from here, just shoot them!
No good. Can't get a clear shot.
Fine, grenades it is.
Grenades?
Fire in the hole!
Wait, that could actually be really useful. There you go.
Yes, a way out. Come
Yeah.
back to the van, quickly.
Okay, how? How? Wait. Well. Some beer.
We need to get that briefcase to agency headquarters. If that butler was right, the heads of state are still alive. We need to find out where.
Okay, that's good. Ooh, France. France. Bonjour. Okay, 4 minutes. What's the record? Well, that's good. Thanks for watching, everybody, and bye!